Hello friends, in this video we are going to make a RGB infinity illusion mirror which can produce 16 million colors. I'm using MDF board to support the glass. We need fully reflective mirror as well as partially reflective mirror. Hot glue works fine to stick glass to MDF board. Fully reflective mirror will be placed downside. For side frames, I'm using 4 pieces of cardboard. I have dropped links of all the products in the description. Since I'm using less number of LEDs, it can be powered from nano board. I'm using digital pin 7 of Arduino Nano to send signal to LED strip. I'm using same code from the previous project. You can check out my old video for the code. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment box. Thank you for watching.